Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss an excellence research grant offered by SERB exclusively for women candidates. Now, the question is what is SERB? So, SERB stands for Science and Engineering Research Board. It is a government body established through an act of parliament in 2008. Now, if we talk about the sub-related details, the kind of different grants offered by sub, then you can move to subonline.in. It is the homepage of sub, and this today's grant is one of the page of this particular website. Now coming to the today's focus, that why such grants are required. So as we do know that government always want to promote the young scientists and the candidates from women's side into the field of science and engineering, because there are very less percentage of female candidates into science and engineering field. So this is one of such related steps. Now coming to the specific excellence research grant for women, as we are talking today. So this particular reward is given to the young women scientist under the age of 40. And it is considered that these women have excelled in their respective science and engineering field and have got recognition from the National Science Academies. So what are the sort of National Science Academies? So these are the National Science Academies, different National Science Academies across country. We have the Indian National Science Academy, New Delhi, then Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore, National Academy of Science, Allahabad, Indian National Academy of Engineering, New Delhi, National Academy of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, National Academy of Agricultural Sciences, New Delhi. So these are some of these are the kind of national academies which are supposed to be considered in this particular grant, because you are supposed to get a recognition from any of these. Then coming to the specific eligibility, so only the women scientists are supposed to get considered, obviously, and the age should not be more than 40 years. The applicants must be having recognition from these particular national academies, as we have already discussed. Nature of support means what you are going to get through this particular grant. So you are going to get a research grant of rupees 5 lakh per annum and rupees 1 lakh per annum as overhead charges for the period of 3 years. So it's a quite considerable amount. It will help you a lot in your research and the sort of activities. Moving on to the selection and the mode of application, the proposal must be submitted online. So online procedure is there, not a headache. And then the call of proposals will be made once in a year. Verification of the eligibility criteria will be carried out by sub only. Only the candidates found suitable, then only the award selection process will be considered. So all these basic instructions are there, means there should not be any fault line. You should not attempt any fraud activity. You should be a kind of genuine candidates, and all the things will go smooth. Don't worry. Moving on to the instructions for submission. So the PI need to register in sub online portal, and this is the link to register. Then after login, go to the menu. There you will find the form submission. Then you can choose the this WER, and this what is this WER? So it is your Women Excellence Research. So this particular link you will find in the short form WER. Once submitted, the PI will receive the intimation through the successful. Means you will get a token of notification that your application has been received. Then the documents are required. You are going to require the documents, and the documents must be in PDF form. The certificate from PI, all the related templates have been given. So the certificate from PI, then the endorsement certificate, then date of birth certificate, and the plagiarism undertaking. These four certificates are required. And if you have any further questions based on it, then you may contact Dr. Shilpi Paul, who is a scientist F, and then all the related details may also be discussed over phone, or you may send your query onto this particular email ID. Now, if you have some of the related facts, then you can go to this frequently asked questions section, and you will find the some of the related questions. Now we have discussed all these things. Then if you want more information, means concluding this video, if you want more information related to SERB, then you can move to the homepage. You can just see the about us section. You can move on to the funding opportunities to just get to know that what are the funding opportunities with SERB, and some of the related documents, etc. All the templates must be funding from here. Then the contact us and the related announcements, means some of the latest announcements you may find. Coming to that, what is SERB? So I will separately make a dedicated video on that, what is SERB. So you will get to know all the things in a better way. So that's all for today. Hopefully the video must have been useful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.